water is run through a purification system, and then there's no sediment or any dirt that gets into the cleaning of the window. The window is scrubbed and then it's rinsed with the purified water so that when it dries, there is no dirt or sediment or anything that can dry onto the window. Now we come through, we scrub the top edges, we scrub the sides, we go across the bottom ledge, get in the corners really well, up and down the sides, scrub the window across, and then a rinsing from the top down to leave a spot-free, streak-free shine on the window.